Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
This is a beautiful day for shopping.
Mia, stay close. Do not get lost. Wow, a secret treasure. I want to discover it.
Do you like this blue box, Leo? You blue box, Leo?
Yes, Daddy. The blue box is great.
Mia, look at this. Mia, where are you? Clara, Mia is not here. She is gone.
Gone? What do you mean she is gone?
I am scared. We lost our daughter, Clara.
We must be brave. We will find her.
Where is Mia? I want my sister now.
You are safe, Leo. We will find her.
Mia, where are you? Help! Yellow coat. My girl. Did you see?
Yellow coat? I am sorry, I did not see.
She did not see her. I feel stuck.
This is a great secret place. So many toys. Look, Dad. Wait, Dad? Where are you right now? I am nervous. I cannot find my family.
Look there. We will go to the information desk.
The information desk. Yes, that is a safe place.
We must walk fast. She will be safe there.
Are we going to find her at that safe place?
Yes, Leo. That safe place will help us find her.
This robot is beautiful. But I feel lost now. Mom says, step 1, breathe. Step 2, be brave.
We are here. The desk is very big.
Hello. Welcome to the desk. How can I help today?
Help us, please. We are looking for our little girl.
Looking for your little girl? Do not worry, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Our daughter is lost. We need your help now.
She is lost? I understand. We will find her together.
She is 10 years old. She wears a yellow coat.
A yellow coat? That is a very good detail, ma'am.
Yes, a bright yellow coat. It is very beautiful.
Is that a secret phone? Can you call my sister? A secret phone? Yes.
It is a very loud phone.
I will be brave and wait right here for Mom.
The store is very peaceful today. Everything is perfectly safe.
I will use this loud phone now, Leo.
You are very brave, Clara. I am proud.
I am proud of you too. We are a strong team.
Listen carefully. The sound is very loud and clear.
Hello, shoppers. We are looking for a lost girl.
A lost girl? Oh no, that nervous man.
That nervous man? Did you see him before?
She is 10 years old. She wears a bright yellow coat.
A bright yellow coat? I will look for that color.
It is so peaceful right now. Just listen slowly.
A bright yellow coat? That is exactly my coat. My parents are looking for me. They are very brave. I will wait by this red car. It is safe.
I must discover where she is hiding. Yellow coat?
Time is very slow. I hope she is safe.
She is safe. We just need to wait a minute.
I like this blue box. Waiting is not scary.
What is that bright color? I see a secret spot.
A bright yellow coat? Hello there, little girl.
Hello? Are you looking for me? I am lost.
You are lost?
Huh?
I am Officer Ben. You are safe.
I am safe? Thank you. I was looking at this car.
This car? It is a beautiful toy. You are very brave.
I am very brave. My parents are waiting for me.
Waiting for you?
Yes.
I have a small treasure here.
A small treasure? Wow, it is beautiful. Thank you so much.
Let us go to the desk. Your family is there.
The time is very slow. I am still quite nervous.
Still nervous? Just breathe slowly. We will discover her soon.
This light is beautiful. It makes me feel completely peaceful.
Look, What is that? I see a bright yellow color.
A bright yellow color? Where is it, Leo? Tell me.
Tell me too. Do you see her bright yellow coat?
Look, Officer Ben. I see my tall dad right there.
Huh. You see your dad? You are a very brave girl.
She is a brave girl. She is right there, Clara.
Right there?
Yes, that is our sweet girl. She is safe.
Yay! Mia is safe. We found her in the store.
You found her. I am very proud of this team.
Dad? Mom, look at this magic treasure I discovered today.
A magic treasure? Come here, my beautiful girl. I missed you.
I missed you so much. You are completely safe now.
Safe now? Yes, we are all together. I am very proud.
Very proud? I am proud too. I want a big hug.
This quiet joy is beautiful. Just breathe and feel the peace.
Feel peaceful?
That is very good. She was a brave girl.
A brave girl? Yes.
Thank you for finding our precious secret. Your precious secret is safe. It is my job to help.
Help? Yes, you both helped us. Thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you. You are welcome. Have a wonderful day, Brave Family.
Brave family. Look, Leo. I found this beautiful ancient treasure. An ancient treasure? Wow. You are the best sister ever, Mia.
The best sister? Yes, she is. Let us go pay now.
Pay now? Yes. Walking together is so peaceful and very nice.
Peaceful and nice? Yes. First, we lost our sweet girl.
Lost our sweet girl?
Yes.
Then, we asked for help bravely.
Asked for help bravely? Yes. And I stayed in one place.
Stayed in one place? Good job. We are at the counter.
At the counter?
Counter?
Wow, the blue box is moving so fast.
Moving so fast? Yes, Leo. Let us breathe and just wait.
Just wait? Yes.
Mia, do not run away in the big store again.
Run away in the big store? No, I will not do that.
Will not do that? Good. Always find a uniform to get help safely.
Get help safely? Yes. Uniforms are very good and brave friends.
Brave friends? Yes. We also used simple words to find our secret.
Find our secret? Yes, Simple words like a bright yellow coat helped us.
Helped us? My yellow coat is a very good and lucky color.
A lucky color? Yes, it is. Let us go home now, family.
Go home now?
Yes.
Goodbye, Sarah. You are a very kind helper.
A very kind helper? Thank you. Have a safe trip home today.
Safe trip home? Yay! The sun outside is so very bright today.
Very bright today? Yes, Leo. The fresh air feels absolutely wonderful now.
Absolutely wonderful now? I agree. We solved the big mystery very well.
Solve the big mystery? Yes! And I got this sweet ancient treasure. Sweet ancient treasure? Can I have a small piece of it, please? A small piece of it? Yes, Leo. We can share this together. Share this together? Yum! This is a very beautiful day for us.
A very beautiful day? Yes, it is. We are a strong family.
A strong family? Always. We listen, we breathe, and we stay safe.
We stay safe?
Exactly. Let us go home and rest now, everyone.
Rest now? Yes. The blue box is very safe in the car.
Are you safe in the car?
Yes.
Always wear your seatbelt, Leo.
Always wear your seatbelt? Okay, Mom. I am very safe here. Very safe here? Yes. The big store is not a scary mystery.
Not a scary mystery?
No.
No. We found our beautiful treasure today.
Beautiful treasure today? Yes. We stay close and use simple words.
Use simple words? Yes. And find a uniform to get help.
Find a uniform to get help? Exactly. We are a great team.
A great team?
Yes.
Sweet dreams, our brave and wonderful family.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey.
Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.